First of all, a really very happening and a formal afternoon to all the wonderful people present here, to all the students, to all the teachers, to all the staff members of 24 Karat Platinum Lounge. So, to start on, the very first topic of Team Motivators is crisis management. Crisis management. How we manage the crisis and how we handle the crisis. So to show you how a very big crisis can be managed, we are trying to show you is how leadership begins from bottom. That is leadership from bottom. So to show you what leadership from bottom is, we are taking a theme about the tragedy that occurred on 26 November 2008, so-called 26/11 in Hotel Taj, Mumbai. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत होटल है, इसे मुंबई का ताज कहा जाता है. But that day, a city, Mumbai, which is known as a city of dreams, which is known as a city of lights, which is known as a city of Bollywood, that day, that city of dreams totally got converted into a city of broken dreams, city of blood, city of terrorism, and the city of hell. Why? People may ask here, why that city got converted into a city of blood? Because of the terrorism attack there, where everything was going on perfectly, where everything was properly managed. Suddenly, terrorists came, Kasab and all, and everything came to an end. We all know, as an individual, as a group, as a country, as a city, as a village, we all know what had happened on 26 November 2008. But do we know the other side of that? What we know, I'll tell you. We know that everything was going on perfectly in Hotel Taj. Suddenly the terrorists came and dum 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 and finished. Is only that thing happened, or other things also happened? Can anyone want to guess that what other thing happened there? Okay. What other thing happened? Can anyone in the audience guess what had happened there? Anyone? Sir? What had happened? Anyone? Students? Yes, sir?
Innocent people were killed.
Sorry, sir, I'm not audible.
Innocent people were killed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. People's working, but we are showing you that how their crisis managed not by CEOs, not by MDs, not by president of hotel, but the sweeper, the employees, the lower level management. So we want to show you is that management doesn't come only from top level management. It also comes from lower level management. It is better than the best when it comes from the It is better than the best when it comes from the lower level management. So to show you, here in projector, we have created a perfect environment of Taj. We'll show you different slides to show you a perfect environment. And so now in this part, our senior human resource manager, Ms. Bhavna, is addressing her employees about the corporate events that may occur that night, but due to these terrorists that had not happened. So enjoy the play, guys, and keep a little bit of silence to get educated from this topic, to get something from this topic. So please listen to that.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good to see you all in time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, as you all know that we are going to host a series of corporate events. Yes, ma'am. So, how's the preparations going on?
Sort of, ma'am.
Saraj, you will be coordinating with housekeeping, and you will be coordinating with food production, and you will be coordinating from reception. Okay, now. See, in Taj, we are not here for the business, but to create a long-lasting relationship with our guests.
going on very perfectly, very smoothly, where everyone was enjoying. Guests were coming to the hotel, guests were going. Business meetings were going on in the hotel, children were playing in the hotel lobby, but suddenly, this beautiful image of Hotel Taj, the orange lamps, the golden sofas totally got spots of red. Totally got spots of red. And that remained a question for Hotel Taj for a lifetime. Really. So, to start on, I would just like to say to everyone here, be one for peace, guys. Be one for peace and be one against terrorism. If we guys will be together, we will remove even the 0% of the terrorism from our country. So now, what we are going to show you is, when everything was going on perfectly, suddenly terrorists came and destroyed the humanity. Totally destroyed the humanity. So, enjoy the play, guys. In this part, we will see everything is going on perfectly. Suddenly terrorists came and lives came to an end. Education came to an end. The image of hotel came to an end. Enjoy this part, guys.
Welcome to Taj, sir. Have a great sleep, sir.
Hello? Yes, Mr. Brown. Yeah, I am in Hotel Taj, Mumbai. Yeah, I'll be there soon. I know. I'm really very sorry for that. I'll be there soon. I'm just checking out. Yeah, I'll be there. Hello, sir. Are you having a good time in hotel? Hope you enjoy. Hope you all good. So I'm checking out. I'll send my PA to collect my things from the hotel. So I'll be there soon. Bye. What are you doing, sir? Expect the unexpected. So, victim. Another victim. Even I was the victim, but I got saved by chance. Terrorist. Well done. Terrorist. So, can anyone look at these innocent faces and can think, can they do wrong for someone? According to me, not. And I think, according to you also, not. And just look at these wonderful faces. Can they think of doing good for anyone? According to me, not. And of course, according to you also, may not. But this was not an end. This was not at all an end. There was still some oxygen left in Hotel Taj. Means there was still some life who were protected there. Many of the guests were in their rooms who were not aware about the terrorism attack. Yes. So now here management start. Here management start, like we are employees who have plenty of time to run away to save their families, to save their friends, to save their children. But they stayed there. They stayed there without taking care of their lives, without taking care of their families. They stayed there to protect the image of the hotel, to protect the hotel from a terrorism attack, to show their loyalty towards the hotel. So, in very short, I would like to explain this situation in just 3 words. Guys, listen to me, these 3 words very carefully. That is the death of be resolved by the peace and humanity. So now we see that some of the employees just totally rushed to control room and made aware the guests who were still in their rooms about the terrorism attack. So enjoy this part, guys.
Hello, Mr. Sharma. Sir, I'm calling from Taj Control Room. Sorry to inform you that we are under a terrorist attack, sir.
What?
Sir,
Account?
sir, please don't panic and listen to me very carefully. Sir, listen. Sir, listen to me very carefully. Switch off all the lights and do not come outside until you release the order, sir. We are trying to come out of this situation. Please cooperate with us, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Like I told you before, this is what management is. In this attack, there was no time for planning. There was no time for organizing. There was no time for directing. There was no time for controlling. But still, the management was the best. This is what management is. This. Without taking care of their lives, they made the guests aware about the terrorism attack. So, if a sweeper can manage, if a receptionist can manage, if a waiter can manage, then we guys are very, very much better than them. We can manage the whole organization. If these employees manage the whole Taj, then we can manage the father of Taj. Right? So, like this I told you before, there was still some oxygen. So by this, they tried to protect the guest. But they were not that much successful. They were successful. I'm not saying they were unsuccessful totally, but they were a little bit successful because number of protected lives was very much less than the number of destroyed lives. Now we see how the people maintain the chain, not a perfect chain, not an iron chain, not a steel chain, but the chain of lives together to protect the guest. But like I told you, they were not that much successful. And in this act, even I'm acting as a guest. Ma'am, there's a terrorist attack in your hotel, and you don't know that? Be careful. Got to be careful, ma'am. There is a terrorist attack in your hotel. And you are telling me there's a terrorist attack. There's a terrorist attack. There's a terrorist here, ma'am. Get the door. Get the door. Get the door. Again, once again, the three words in my mind, the three words in my body, and the three words in my heart. That is the death of innocence. When this tragedy occurred, every one of us, including me, what was the reaction? I'll tell you. Properly, I'll tell you that what was the reaction in our household. Just wait a minute, guys. I'll properly tell you. Right? We sat on our sofas, we sat on our chairs, we sat on our beds, and opened the news channel, including me. I'm not pointing out on anyone, including me. I was the most idiotic person there who was passing these type of comments on this situation. Like, open the TV. यार हमारी गवर्नमेंट तो कुछ करते नहीं है. हमारी पुलिस को ना ऐसे नहीं वैसा करना चाहिए था. अगर ये वैसा कर देते ना तो आज सिचुएशन बहुत अच्छी होती. So instead of passing comments, we should join hand against terrorism. And even I was the most idiotic person who passed these types of comments. So I should slap me for this once. Okay, it got hurt. So the death of innocence. I take an oath that I will join hand against terrorism. Will you take an oath? Sir, will you take an oath with me? Will you join hand against terrorism? Yes, sir. Will you join hand against terrorism? Sir? Will you join hand against terrorism, man? Will you join hand against terrorism? All, I don't have time to come to everyone. So, time is going. So, that is what. There is a kalma in Quran that I read the Quran in English, and there is a kalma that you don't get Jannat from jihad. It means that you don't get heaven from doing bad for everyone. So guys, this can be resolved by peace and humanity. This can be. Finally, thanks to the Department of Taj, they made a call to the Government of India, and Government of India made a call to military department, and they came on time and protected the remaining lives there. So literally, very much thankful to the Government of India, how they tried to remove the terrorism from Hotel Taj, and still in process to remove the terrorism from our country, India. Thanks a lot, guys. Once again, I would like to